up to me, you can find me in the West. Make a left up the street. I left MCs in my dust when I bust up, built my empire. Nothing left to construct, nothing left to discuss, cause I've messed with your mind. Take off with new skills, y'all getting left behind. Y'all impressed with the rhymes, like what's this guy smoking? Your jaws drop and your eyes left wide open. You're scoping, but I left the scene of the crime. Left no clues to the schemes of my rhymes. I'm speaking my mind, what I rep is for real. Your style's played out, your mind is way out in left field. Should've left the field, put the glove and the bat away. You better step your brethren left, I think they ran that away. These rappers are left shook from my left hook. One verse left the hook. Cause right now, right here, I'm right near your squadron. Grab a pen and pad and I write near the margin. Barging, screaming in your right ear, I'm hollering. I'm calling them, something ain't right here, I'm pondering. Strike like lightning and thunder, right under your nose. My flows is flying like Wright brothers. I write other verses, make rappers turn their mic off. You're quite soft, you just turned your girl right off. I catch wreck till my microphone's a write-off. You jump ship off the plank, I'll toss you right off. Hip-hop police, my main assignment. Cornball rappers got the right to remain silent. They wildin', gotta get them on the right page. Cause I'm the right aid for your sickness, like Rite Aid. Getting tight with age, you getting sloppy on the mic. It's Rels 1, 2009, copyright. Life low, madness, I make mad beats. What? Felony? That's right. Blah, 2 hungry bros. Alucard, Trev Monroe.